What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and welcome back to the Small Gang. Today, we will be playing some more Bloxburg, as you can see by the title of this video. And as you can see, I am a janitor still. It is a really good paying job, and we got our friend here. He's right here. Shout out to him. He's right here. He's running away because he's a little wuss. Follow him on TikTok, guys. Link will be in the description. Alright, yeah, clean that up. I got you. I clean it first. Hey, there's some garbage over there. We're in the alleys. This is where we're gonna sell some drugs. You got the stuff? You got the stuff? You want the stuff? Hey, it's the deal. Gunshots, gunshots. It's a gang war. There's gunshots. Hide in the dumpster where you belong. Where is he at? There he is. He's booking. Bro, hi. Bro, it's 12 in the morning. And it's actually based on real life, so you need to eat, sleep, hygiene, hunger, you need fun. My fun is always down. So, it's just go on you two have to go to the carnival. There's a club here, we can get booty. There's a club here. Yeah, there's a club. Look over there. Do you see that little purple building? Like across from us? If you go to it, it'll like, there's a club there, but I wouldn't go there. Yeah, but I'll show you after we're done working. We just need to, oh, nice, dude. Have you seen me get promoted in my videos? I got promoted like twice already. I'm like level 7 on this job. Yeah, well, skills, just clean a lot and you'll get a lot of money, and then you'll be able to buy some accessories for your house. Like new beds, new doors, new TV, you know, goodies. You cashed out? How much did you get? How much? 116 bucks? Oh, it's the fancy Tesla. It's back. I'm gonna say sweet ride. Oh, look in chat. Someone saying my name. Someone in chat saying my name. Oh. Oh god, it's a crazy fan. Run. It's a crazy fan, dude. Run. It's a crazy fan. Fuck for the hills, dude. It's a crazy. Look, it says take as much as you want. Okay. I'm at work though. Dude, there are crazy fans in the server, so just watch out, okay? You don't see that? Ryan, take as much as you want. Oh! They said it in chat again. It doesn't know. No! Look, it doesn't even... Aren't you a kid? Aren't you a kid? No. Oh! Bro, what is she just like, yes? No! I don't. I'm saying it's 10 years later because she's freaking out. Yes. Okay. Someone said in private chat, her name's from Cammy_Cutie. She said, can I live with you? And she's like, oh god, you see anyone in chat saying, oh, I'm getting fans, just spamming me. They're saying, can I live with you? They're saying hi. They're saying, okay, come on. I'm like, that's why I hate playing on public servers. I like doing VIP servers. Oh no, it's because I sent Twitter links out. I sent a Twitter link out that I'm playing. Oh shoot. Boss. Oh, it's where you buy stuff for Robux. So it's not that important. Yeah, I got that too. They're trying to break in, dude. Wait, did you close your door and windows? I think I forgot to close my door. Look, they're gonna come work with us. They said, I'm gonna go work. Oh crap, please don't come to us. If they work as janitor, always screwed up. Guys, we got crazy fans in chat. Holy moly, what? Proof. They're saying, where am I working at? I'm just a janitor. So I'm just a janitor and see if she if she comes to us, then that's us. So just get ready to hide in the closet. Follow me. Oh, she said okay. We need to hide somewhere. We can hide in the alleys. There's a lot of stuff I can clean here. Dude, she's a nice car though. She's a Lambo, so watch out. Nice. Dude, watch out. She's a Lambo, so I'd be careful. The girl that's coming has a Lambo, and she always gives me money. But she just like... Do you want me to do the inside of your house? Your friend Soul? Okay. Jackson was playing earlier, but then he went to go play something else. Oh, you have him added? Nice. Dude, his house is big. Maya built him a house, but then his sister destroyed it, so it's just kind of sad. I hear a car. I hear the car. I can hear a car coming. Oh. She's by you? That's the car. That's the yellow car. Get to the alley. Other way. She's like, go. She's off. I'm a folder saying, are you coming? Oh, she's parked. Oh, people are on my doorbell. Cammy_cutie just knocked at your doorbell. I'm saying I'm not home. Oh my god. I think you go before me. Just if she tries to ask you questions, don't say anything. Let's see what she's... I said hey, and then she said hi, so... What do you need? I don't know where she's going. For someone named Cammy_cutie knocked at my door. Or like did the doorbell. Oh, did you glitch? Dude, no, I'm going crazy. Oh, go eat in there. Just press E and then order food in the restaurant. It's called Bloxy Burgers. Well, how much did you get? Holy crap, that's insane. Alright, I'm gonna see how much I'm gonna make. Ready? 3, 2, 1. $931. I have $8,748. Jeez, guys, look how much money I have now. Oh, bro. I don't know, but I'm gonna go freaking, I don't know, dude. I'm gonna go over to, the club. Oh, Funky Furniture. That's a new store. This is new. This is new. Welcome to Fancy Furniture. We have the fanciest furniture in town. I like to buy some furniture. Sure, just walk up to one of the displays and stand on them to make sure you want to buy directly in build mode. Continue. Holy, they got the stuff. Oh, this is for a good price. This simple sofa for $220. This one's for $800. What? I know, right? Oh, well, that's what you need to do in build mode. And that's the complicated part. If you give me co-owner, I'll build a new house for you, but... Oh, the club! Get over here. Oh, the music's lit, dude. The music. Holy. Bro, I'll order a drink. Bro, let me get a drink. You order food, grape juice, blockade, orange juice. Hey, look what I got, look what I got in my hand, look what I got in my hand. I got some tipsy stuff. Yeah, chug that. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, sir, sir. Bro, this place sucks. Alright guys, that's good enough for today's video. We met some crazy fans in the server. I will see you all in the next one. So yeah, wish me luck.